Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a 15-minute cardio workout for beginners. Today's routine is composed of a warm-up, a 3-round circuit training, and a cool-down. Today's practice does not include a full body stretch. If you have not stretched, take a look at the link in the description below for my latest full body stretch routine. Get that done and come back and join us for today's practice. Let's take a look at some of the exercises that we're going to be performing in today's circuit training. Skip side to side. High knees, skip front and back, and jog in place. Alright guys, welcome to the warm-up round. Let's go ahead and get started. We're taking it from the top with jogging in place. We're putting 30 seconds on the clock, and we're getting ready to start here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and light movement on our feet. We're moving those arms. We're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Taking these at our own pace here. This is just a warm-up round. Last couple of seconds left on this move, and we're taking it forward to sumo squats next. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Go into sumo squats. Come into a nice wide squat. And squat back up. Use your arms to help you find your balance. Inhale as you come down. Exhale as you come up. Last couple seconds here. We're moving forward to jump rope next. Here we go. We're jumping with our imaginary rope for 30 seconds. Nice and light on our feet here again. Focus on your breathing. Get those lungs fired up. Last couple seconds left of this jump rope, and we're moving over to fast feet next for the last move of our warm-up. Here we go. We're moving our feet nice and fast, and we're moving those arms. How fast can you move those feet? Hot feet time. Last couple seconds here. Great job, guys. Take a 30-second rest, and we'll meet here for round 1 of our circuit training. Welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and begin round 1 of our circuit training. We're starting with a side-to-side skip. Let's go ahead and get ready to begin in 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Start in a nice squat, and we're jumping, leaping side to side, coming into a nice squat as we land to help absorb that shock and protect our knees here. Nice light movements. Just a nice light side-to-side skip. Keep your chest and your head up. And focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Stand up straight. We're moving over to high knees next. Arms come out in front of you, and we're doing an alternating knee raise. Nice and high. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Nice controlled high knees here. Use your core to help you get those knees up. Last couple of seconds. We're going to a front and back skip next. Starting a squat, skip forward, skip back. It's the same form as a side-to-side skip. Squatting as we land, helping us absorb that shock. Nice light skips, front and back. Last couple seconds. We're finishing off the round with jogging in place. We have 30 seconds left of this round. Finish strong. Focus on your breathing. And make sure you're moving those arms. Nice and light here on our feet. Last couple seconds. Great job, guys. Take a nice, big, deep breath. You earn a 30-second rest. We'll be here for round 2. Great job, guys. We're halfway through this, starting with round 2 here. We're starting from the top again with a side-to-side skip. Let's go ahead and get ready to start. Let's go. Nice light, side-to-side skips. Squatting as we land, protecting those knees. Keeping our chest and head up. Exhaling as we leap across. Inhaling as we come down. Using our breath to find that strength needed for the move. Last couple seconds, here we go, high knees. Arms come out in front of your chest, and we raise our knees. Keep your heart rate up. Focus on your breathing. And focus on your form. Get those knees nice and high. Make sure you engage your core to help you find balance, as well as get that knee up nice and high. Here we go, front and back skip next. Give yourself some room, and we're ready to begin. We're using those arms to help us move that distance, along with a nice, strong leap. In that squat, we move when we protect our knees. Last couple seconds, and we're jogging in place. Here we go. Breathe in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Keep those lungs moving. Keep your head up. And whatever you do, just keep moving. You're almost there. Great job, guys. That was round 2. Take another 30-second rest, and we'll be here for round 3. Let's go ahead and take it again from the top. This is our last and final round, starting with a side-to-side skip here again. In 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the last round. We're familiar with these moves now, so we can move with a little more comfort as we're getting familiar with our bodies. We can speed it up without sacrificing the form. Keep those lungs fired up and moving. Last couple of seconds here. And we're going to our high knees. Here we go. Alternating knee raise. Nice and high. Get those lungs moving. Keep that heart rate up. Nice strong march as we get that knee nice and high. Last couple seconds, and we're doing our skip front and back. Here we go. Forward, backward skip. Driving your weight through your heels. We push through our legs for these nice skips, front and back. Last couple seconds, and we have our jog in place. Here we go. Finish strong. Give it all you got here. In through your nose and out through your mouth. You breathe to get through the hard part here. Finish strong. Great job, guys. That was awesome. Take a 30-second rest. We'll meet here for our cool down. Great job. This brings us to our cool down. That was a hell of a workout. You did great. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Open up your arms, widen out your stance. Lean left. We're coming into a halfway fold. Focus on your breath. Bring your hands down to your feet. Coming into a further hamstring stretch for our left leg here. Focus. Bringing our heart rate down as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Last couple of seconds and we're switching legs. Rainbow yourself back up. Arms are wide. Lean forward and right to your right leg. Come into a hamstring stretch as we bring the hands to our foot. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. And find a deeper stretch on your right hamstring. Go ahead and release. Bring yourself back up. Narrow out your stance and your left leg comes up for a quad stretch. Focus your balance and engage your core. Stand as tall as a tree. Keep your head and your chest up. And ground yourself in your balance. Release your left foot. Bring your right leg up. Again, we focus our breath, engage our core, and find our balance. Last couple of seconds here, we're moving forward to a hip rotation. Next. Release your right foot. Left leg comes up and out and up and in. And we alternate. Right leg up and out, up and in. Use your arms to help you counterbalance yourself. And repeat your hip rotations. Last couple of seconds here, we're moving forward to a downward dog next. Come to the top of your mat, come down to a halfway fold, palms come to the ground, and we walk our palms out. As we enter the downward dog, we pedal our feet in and out, or we Gently bring both of our heels down to the ground simultaneously. Go ahead and walk your palms out, coming into a high plank, at which point we bring our right foot up beside our right hands for a runner's lunge. Sit your hip in and out into that lunge. Last couple of seconds here before we switch legs. Gently release your right foot. Left foot comes forward for a runner's lunge on your left side. Again, we gently sit in and we sit out. Last couple of seconds here. And we're getting ready to turn it around onto our backs. Here we go. Bring it down to your back. Knees come into your chest. Keep your neck neutral and your shoulders on the ground. Last couple of seconds here. And we're getting ready to shift into a butterfly stretch. Gently release those knees, sit yourself up, bring your feet together and grab onto your ankles, bringing your elbows onto your knees as your thighs push towards the ground. And our chest and head is up towards the sky. Great job, guys. Go ahead and release your ankles. That concludes today's training. If you enjoyed today's routine, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.